Hello everybody, welcome to part 2 of the Beginning Java series. Today we're going to be talking about primitive variables. So what we're going to be using for the majority of this tutorial series. So let's just jump right into it. So here we have strings. So strings are like text and other things. So it's going to be like names, anything of that sort, okay? And strings are like written out like this. It's string, and whatever you want to call that string, equal to the text. And then you have to end it off with this syntax, aka semicolon. You wouldn't put that somewhere like here though, just after parentheses and stuff. So then we have integers. Integers are written like integer, the name, and then the numbers, and then the syntax. These are just your normal numbers without decimals or any of that. So floats are written as float, the name, and then your value, but these have decimals in them. And then you have to put F afterwards, and then your syntax. Then we have characters. They aren't always written like this, but in this case they are. And then you have to put them out there afterwards. They can be like this, or they can be integers, or not integers, just numbers. And we have booleans. These are true or false. And yeah, that's about it for booleans. They're pretty useful though. So here I have all of our signs just put onto a little thing. So let's just jump right into them. So plus doesn't do anything. Plus adds one or the variable or an assigned number. Minus equals negative. Minus subtracts. So whenever you're making a number equal to something, like down here, or a variable equal to something, if you're making a variable equal to a number, then it's going to be equal. But if you're making a variable equal to anything else, it's just going to be equal. So this is less than, this is greater than, this is less than or equal to, and this is greater than or equal to. So I wrote the code on how you would just put these all out there. So we have system.out.println, and then we have my name. So this is our string. This means that anytime you want to use my name, or whatever your string is, you don't have to go through and individually change it. This is also with the integers too. You can just go up here and change it for whatever integer. Makes it so much easier and saves you a lot of time, especially if you're using that exact same variable bunch. So this is printing it out, and then here we have your age is equal to plus a. So you can put those out of the quotation marks, and it's going to add on to the text, okay, like here. It says your age is equal to 98. It's going to use that integer and put it inside of this print line. It's going to say system.out.println a plus b. So this is adding two integers together, and it's going to say 125. You don't have to copy this down, by the way. It's just an example. I would like you guys to go write all these, though, so take screenshots or whatever. Take a picture. Or you can refer back. So we have system.out.println floaters plus a plus b. So this is going to add our float up here. Okay. It's going to add it into a and b. So then we have system.out.println character 1 plus this plus character 2. That's going to bring xy, because that's what that is. It says 88, but we'll go over that inside of our character video. So if a is equal to 98, then it's going to change our Boolean checker to true. And then it's going to print out the value of checker, which here is true, because it changed to true since our a up here is equal to 98. And right here it says store single characters such as a or b. Character values are surrounded by single quotes. So now you guys can just look at these, read through these. This is basically what we just went through up here. Just written out. Oh, I screwed it up. There we go. So yeah, that's probably going to be it for today's video. And see you guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to see something easier, we do have a Python course. I recommend checking that out. So yeah, see you guys next time.